MS class. In the last class, we discussed about the concept of sequence and some portions. Okay. Now, today we'll discuss the same thing, sequence and series, but some concept progression. What do you mean by progression? What do you mean by progression? It is not necessary that the terms of the sequence always follow a certain pattern, or they describe the same explicit formula for any term. Those sequences whose terms follow the certain patterns are called progression. The sequence whose terms follow the sequence whose terms terms follow certain patterns are called progression. Okay, as for example 3 6 9 12 dot 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 1 by 2 1 by 5 1 by 8 dot dot dot. Then we can say 1 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 9 comma 1 by 16. These are following some patterns. This type of sequence are called progression. Okay, all progressions are sequence, but all sequence may not be progression. That Fibonacci sequence, this is not a progression, this is a sequence, but it is not a progression because it's not follow any certain rules. Okay, the terms are not follow. Series, next is series. The words it is related with the sequence and series. Now, what is the difference between sequence and series? Let A1, A2, A3 be a given sequence. Be a given sequence. If these terms are written in an expression using the mathematical operation, addition or subtraction, okay, then this expression is called series. The expression A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dot dot dot, we can say this one, plus dot dot plus an plus dot dot, in this we can write, is called series. Called a series associated with the given sequence. Associated with the given sequence. That means if A1, A2, A3, A4 are the terms of the sequence, then the series will be what? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus dot 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 in this way. If 1, 2, 3, 4 are the terms of the sequence, then series will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, in this way it will come. If 2, 4, 6, 8 are the terms of the sequence, then what will write? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus. This is nothing but a series of the sequence. Okay. The series are often expressed in compact form called sigma note. The series are often expressed as compact form called sigma notation. Sigma notation. Sigma notation. Using the Greek letter this is called sigma. As for example, that a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus an, it is abbreviated like that. Summation sigma n is equal to 1 to n ak. In this we can write. Okay. Clear? So in this way we can write a series in the short form. Let's see some question of exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1. Question number 7. See, question number 7, what is given? Find the indicator terms in each of the following. They are given n is equal to n square by 2 to the power n, and we need to find out A7. So A7 solution. What will get A7? A7 n is equal to 7. That means what? 7 square by 2 to the power 7. 7 square is 49. 2 to the 7 is what? 1 to 8. Okay. Hence, A7 is equal to 49 by 1 to 8. This is the answer. So, in this we have to solve the question. Next question, say question number 11. Question number 11, what is given? Write the first 5 terms of each of the following sequence and obtain the corresponding series. Here it is given A1 is equal to 3, an is equal to 3an minus 1 plus 2 for all n is greater than 1. The condition is given n is greater than 1. This condition you have to follow. Here solution. Here a1 is equal to 3. Therefore, n is greater than 1, that is a2. When you apply a2, then n is greater than 1, this formula you have to apply. So 3, 2 minus 1, a1 plus 2. So 3, 2 minus 1, a1. What is the value of a1? a1 is nothing but 3. So 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. a3, 3, here you put n is equal to 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. So a2 plus 2. What is the value a2? 11. So 3 into 11 plus 2. 3 into 11 is 33, 33 plus 2 is 35. a4, put n is equal to 4, 3, a3 plus 2. So 3 into 35 plus 2. 3 into 35, how much? 105 plus 2, that is 107. a5, 3, a4 plus 2. In this way we have to continue. So 3 into 107 plus 2. 3 into 107, 321. 321 plus 2, 323. So these are the terms we are getting. First one is 3, second one is 11, 35, 107, 323. Okay, hence the required sequence is what are the sequence, what are the terms of the sequence? 3, 11, 35, 107, 3 2 3. Okay, so corresponding series what will it? 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 3 2 3 plus total. This is the corresponding series. Okay, this we have to write this. Next, see question number 14. What is question number 14? Last question of this exercise. Question number 14. Here, what is given? A1 is equal to A2, 1. Given A1 is equal to A2 is equal to 1. This is given. And what is given? An is equal to An minus 1 plus An minus 2. An minus 2. N is greater or equal to 2. Find, we need to find out An plus 1 by An. An plus 1 by An is equal to what? That we need to find out. For n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These things we need to find out. Okay, this is a question. So A1, A2 given. So we will start from A3. For n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to A2 plus A1. A2 plus A1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. A4 is equal to A3 plus A2. A3 is 2, 2 plus 1, this is 3. A5 is equal to A4 plus A3. A4 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. We need A6 also, because if we put n is equal to 5, then n plus 1 is 6. A6 we need up to. So A5 plus A4. A5 is 5, A4 is 3, that is 8. Clear? Next, what we asked to find out An plus 1 by An, that is, we need to find out An plus 1 by An is equal to what? N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we put n is equal to 1, so what will get? For n is equal to 1, A2 by A1, 1 by 1, this is 1. N is equal to 2, A2 by, n is equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, A3 by A2. A3 is what? What is A3? A3 is 2, 2 by 1, this is 2. N is equal to 3, then A4 by A3. A4, what is A4? What do we get A4? A4 is 3, 3 by 2. This is the answer. N is equal to 4. A5 by A4. A5 is 5. So 5 by 3. N is equal to 5. A6 by A5. A6 is 8. So 8 by 5. So this is the answer. So 5 required series are. Here we asked to find out This is also Fibonacci sequence defined by this. Okay, fine. This is the answer. Up to this much we need to find out. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear your doubt. Thank you. Have a nice day.